gotta have somebody. If the two outside corner guys get hit, they gotta call it.
I'll be right over there.
Because if not, they're gonna flank us and kill us all.
Flank us and kill us all?
You're good. Yeah. If somebody gets in this, kill box right here.
That's where I'm going, dude.
Left.
That's where I'm going.
Just stay back behind there. We need to get over here though.
Somebody's going left side.
They said Woods is open.
It's open?
Yeah.
I think that's what he said.
I don't think so. Woods are open?
Woods! Woods open! Woods open!
Are the woods open?
What?
I thought he said the woods were open. But usually if it's this, the woods aren't open. Hey, the woods open!
Are the woods open? Yes.
Alright, that changes everything, man.
Oh, we need to move.
Right here.
Somebody fix this. Last time with it doesn't matter as long as you have to here.
I'm gonna rush up to this window right here and protect the windows to see if you can fucking door.
I'm gonna try and make it around the corner.
Hey, get over here, guys.
There's bonfire in there.
There's no bonfire. I can see you. Hit. They're in the house. Damn it, man.
I don't think there's any way he would have been able to see me on that angle.
Where they at?
The kid was supposed to be watching. Rush the house, y'all. They got the bomb.
Are they in the building?
Oh, okay. Get it, Carol!
Field side has the ball!
Get it!
Field side has the ball!
Good job.
Guys have the ball! Hey, help in the house! In the house! Help in the house! All right, enough for 1 minute, 30 seconds. This side. Field side has the ball. Hey, you're supposed to keep it. Hey, I got you. Okay, yeah, you got it. Hey, keep the ball still, alright? No one's on the bomb.
Oh shit, my bad.
You gotta hold it.
You guys need to move forward. You have to get up there.
I can't, nigga.
Jesus fucking Christ, man.
You gotta run, man. It's hard to hit you, hard to hit him with a target.
Good, man, good.
Shit without any ammo.
See him in the window, Zach?
Keep following me, keep following me. Hey, can't you give me shield?
Move up with me. Keep fire on me.
Sure.
Okay, sure.
That's it. Yeah.
I'm on your team. No, I'm not.
No, no.
Come out, hit.
They sell the buildings?
Yes.
Yeah. Did they get it?
What? I was on the other side. You should have came around the other side. Where are they at? I know that. Come on, Jack, hurry up, get over here. Yeah.
Solo, I've no cover at all.
I don't think.
There he is too.
Yeah. Where they at? Hey, hit, Mike. Cover that window, Joe. Oh, fucking god damn it.